3, 2, 1,
TunePocket.com.
go!
Hello and welcome to the second video series of Techie course. Tutorial is by Nitish Krishna. Today we are going to learn a simple app where when you press a button the color is going to get changed. In the last session we made an app wherein when you enter something in a text box and click on a button, it's going to be displayed in a label. So please join my Slack community. You can scan this QR code to join, or I'll leave in the link in the description box below. First, let's see the worksheet answers which I gave in the last session. Open up your browser and search for App Inventor. I have a shortcut, so I'm going there. Create apps. You need to sign in again every time you enter. So that's the problem. That's not a problem really. Just one thing which you need to do. So now, as I told in the worksheet, there's going to be two text box, one button and two labels. When I click the button, the text in text box 1 should be displayed in label 2, and the text in text box 2 should be displayed in label 1. So let's go ahead and take two text boxes. And one button and two labels. Now let's just remove the hint in the box, both text boxes, and let's rename the button. I say click to output. Now let's just empty the text in label. That's all the designer part. So let's head on to the blocks. So as I told you, when button 1 is going to get clicked, everything is going to happen. So click on button and say button 1 dot click. The text box 1 dot text should be in text box 2, text label 1 dot text. So click on text box 1, label 2, and set label 2 dot text to text box 1 dot text. And you can just duplicate those and change the numbers. So right click on it and say duplicate. Now let's switch this as label 1 and this as text box 1. Text box 2. Now that's all with this thing. Let's go ahead and test our app. Click on connect on your laptop and say AI companion. Let me scan the QR code. Now it's going to process for some time. Yeah, and we got it. So here let me type Techie and here course, and I click to, oh, there's a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. Let's click to output. I did a spelling mistake. So it's going to be Techie course Techie. You know why is that so? Because the text box 2 dot text is going to be set in label 1 dot text. That's why it's like that. So if you do spelling mistake like this, you can fix it like the you can fix it. Just click on the button which you want to change the spelling, and then just change it over here. Click to output, and sometimes it will be displayed automatically over here, or you can say connect and say refresh companion screen. It's going to get refreshed. So again, let me put it over this time. Let me say course Techie. Now it's going to be Techie course. So hope you did the worksheet correctly. If you not, please change it. We saw the worksheet. Now let's see what we'll be learning today. We'll be making an app wherein when you press a button, the background color is going to get changed, as I told you in the last session. If you have not seen my last session, you can click on the pop-up which comes above. And we'll also learn about uploading the AIA file. So we'll be learning the concept of screen and AIA file. So what is a screen? The screen is going to be displaying the user interface. The basically it's going to be displaying the designer part, and the screen controller is going to be executing the code. When something happens in the screen, it's going to ask the screen controller what to do if this button is going to get clicked, and it will tell the answer and give it back to the screen. So see here, there's a button, and when it's going to get clicked, it's going to be processing, and then again it's going to be output in the screen. So let's just see an example. I click on this blue button, the background color changes to blue, and I click on purple, it changes to purple. Now let's see the groundwork for our app. We'll be making 5 buttons. One is red, and another is blue, and another is green. And then the last 2 buttons is going to be your own color, making with RGB values. Now what is a RGB value? Every color has a basis of other colors. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. Every color is made up of the amount of red in it, amount of green in it, and amount of blue in it. Now let's just go to App Inventor. Open up your browser. I'll just start a new project. And as I told you, we need 5 buttons, so let me pick up 5 buttons. And I rename this. There's so much of buttons, so if you don't rename it now, they'll be very confusing afterwards. So first of all, let me rename this as red, and you can copy this and paste it over here, and this one as blue, and this is going to be on color 2. Copy that and paste it. So we have 5 buttons. Let's go to the blocks and pick up when red is going to get clicked. We're going to be setting the screen one's background color. So click on screen and search for set screen one background color 2. It's going to be a color, so go to colors and pick up red. So you can just copy and paste this 3 times is enough. Let's paste it 3 times. Now let's change this to green. And this one as blue. Now we're going to be making for own color. So go to own color dot click and go to colors and select make color. Before that, it's going to be setting the screen color. So go to screen and pick up screen one dot background. Sorry, not background image. Change it to background color. It's going to be making a list. So open create a new tab and search for RGB color chart, and you get this. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So you can drag this and this to make own colors. I'm just selecting a particular color for me. You can select any color. So this color has the RGB values 255, 188 and 0. So we'll be remembering that, and 255, 188 and 0. So just copy it and paste it. It's going to be your own color 2. Setting the background color as a little turquoise. RGB It's going to be 0 to 55 and 205. It's going to be 0 to 55 and 205. So this is our simple app. So let's go ahead and test our app. So say connect on your laptop an AI companion, and let me scan the QR code. Wait until it loads. Yeah, now we got an app. So I click on red. Now you can see the background color changes to red. I click on blue, it changes to blue. I click on green, it's going to change to green. And our own color, it's going to change to orange type of color. And this is going to be turquoise type. So hope you like this app. It's really easy and very easy to make. So stay with me for more videos like this. Now we have saw the project. Now let's see how to upload the AAA file. AAA file are one of the files like MOV, WAV, MP3, MP4 and etc. But AIA files are only for App Inventor and you cannot use in other computer, other apps. You can share it to other people so that they can upload the AIA file in the MIT App Inventor and they can also access. Now let's go to App Inventor and see about that. So just go to the resource page which I gave, and there'll be a thing called AIA file and click to get it. So I'll click on that, and a page like this will appear. If it doesn't appear like this, please tell it in the comments. And there'll be an option called download over here. So click on that, and it is downloaded. So just go to App Inventor now and click on this My Projects and say import project AIA from computer and click on choose file. So I just choose the file which we just downloaded and I click on open and just click on OK now. It 1 minute, so this is not going to work. It should have only letters. If you can see here, it has a bracket over here, so make sure you remove that before you upload. So I have a file without the bracket over here, so I'll upload that, open and OK. Now you can see the Hello World 2 has come here and it opens. So this is how we upload an AIA file, and thank you for watching this video.